Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. If you're a design professional, engineer, or architect, you know how crucial it is to have reliable and high-quality printing equipment. That's why I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the CQ890-67045 Service Station Assembly for HP DesignJet T120, T520, 730T, 830 plotter. This innovative product is designed to take your printing experience to the next level, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on what makes it so special. First off, let's talk about the Service Station Assembly itself. This component is the heart of your HP DesignJet plotter, responsible for maintaining the print heads, managing ink flow, and ensuring that your prints come out vibrant and accurate. The CQ890-67045 Service Station Assembly is a game-changer because it's designed to be incredibly durable and long-lasting. With its robust construction and high-quality materials, you can trust that it will withstand the demands of frequent use, minimizing downtime and reducing the need for costly repairs. Whether you're printing complex designs, detailed maps, or high-resolution images, this Service Station Assembly has got you covered. Another key benefit of the CQ890-67045 Service Station Assembly is its ease of installation and maintenance. I know that not everyone is a tech expert, and that's okay. The designers of this product have made it incredibly user-friendly, with clear instructions and a straightforward installation process. Plus, the assembly is designed to be easily accessible, making it a breeze to perform routine maintenance tasks, such as cleaning and replacing ink cartridges. This means that you can spend more time focusing on your design work and less time worrying about the technical aspects of your printer. Now, let's talk about the impact that the CQ890-67045 Service Station Assembly can have on your overall printing experience. With this component, you can expect to see a significant improvement in print quality, consistency, and reliability. Whether you're printing on plain paper, glossy photo paper, or even specialty media, this Service Station Assembly ensures that your prints come out looking professional and polished. Plus, with its advanced ink management system, you can enjoy more efficient ink usage, reducing waste, and saving you money in the long run. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or a large enterprise, this product is designed to meet your unique printing needs and help you achieve your goals. In conclusion, the CQ890-67045 Service Station Assembly for HP DesignJet T120, T520, 730T, 830 plotter is an absolute must-have for anyone who wants to take their printing to the next level. With its durable construction, ease of installation and maintenance, and advanced print quality, this product is a game-changer. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible Service Station Assembly and discover a whole new world of printing possibilities. Don't settle for mediocre prints. Upgrade to the CQ890-67045 Service Station Assembly today and experience the power of professional-grade printing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.